Hello everyone, this is Tenny Makanaki, and guess what?
Keep watching fkleftv. Don't go nowhere.
Keep watching Fklef TV. They're doing a great job and keep supporting them as well.
Some of you are wasting your time. You are not watching the right video. You are not watching the right channel. If you are not watching Fklef TV on YouTube, what's wrong now? And you are not even subscribing. What is wrong? Get out.
Don't be stubborn. Subscribe to Fklef TV. It is free. Without getting your coin for, it's not costing you anything. It's totally free. Go and subscribe, please.
Alright guys, we're back live. So sorry, the other session expired, but we're back live right now.
Right. We can hear you. Okay. Just keep it up. Keep your side on here. No. I saw far around quick before you come out to me.
Alright guys, so I am currently at the location for Sultan's burial, and I know a lot of you guys have been trying to join this Zoom, and we are not you guys are not able to join the Zoom link, so I'll be going live from my platform so that every one of you can be part of this his burial service as well. So please, if you're if you know anyone that has been trying to go on the link, on the Zoom link, and they are not able to join us, they can join this live right now. I'll try my best to keep this up throughout the entire service. Alright, so I'm going live now, so you see already. So it's more people are gonna start joining. Yeah,
that's why it's going on to 300.
yeah.
I need them. You click. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
You see what do you think? Alright guys, so everything is gonna kick off. Yeah, I'll be able to save this. Yes. Yeah. So immediately after this set, we're going next. Okay. Alright guys, so you guys should bear with us. We're about 5 minutes out. The moment this they're preparing, and the moment this group of people are this set of people are done, we'll be going in next. So please invite as many people as you can to join this live. You have like 2,000.
Hey, listen, real quick. You created a Zoom thing, right? Yeah. So it's limited to 100 people. Can you make it 5,000?
Mark, are you okay?
Don't limit it. 100 people. I think we have almost 100 people here already. Yeah, open it completely. Open it completely.
Awesome.
Please, and text me when it's done. Text me when it's done. Thank you. Thank you. We're here now. We're here now. I'll give you a call.
Alright guys, you guys heard it. Everything is coming on gradually, and if you're not able to join the Zoom link, you can watch live here. I will keep this running throughout the entire burial service, so please feel free to invite as many people as possible that are not able to join on the Zoom link as well, that they can experience it with us here. Yeah, so like this. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Doesn't have to be loud, yeah, but at least. Yeah, so we. Is it inside? Okay. Yeah, the guy driving this car. All right, guys. So I'll be keeping you guys updated as it goes, and we lost a great one today. This is Lamborghini. So, guys, please share this live to as many people as possible. We're going to start up in another 5-10 minutes. Continue to share this live, guys. Yes, LA. Yeah, I just said the Sound Sultan's burial service in New Jersey. Please continue to share this live. Tag as many people that you think will want to be here. Continue to share the live. Tag many people as possible. Okay, great. And if you want... And for as many of you that still wants to join the Zoom, you can also join the Zoom too. Please continue to share this live to as many people as possible. Everyone that you think would love to be a part of this burial ceremony for the great legendary Sound Sultan. We're kicking off in another 5-10 minutes. Like I said, we're just waiting for this group of people to be done, and once they are done, let's celebrate the legacy of the great Sound Sultan. Let's celebrate the great legacy of the, you know. Everybody, oh yeah, oh, join this. You said? Yeah, if you join my Instagram and then you can share it. Yeah, that's me. So it tells you to share, like, I think. Yeah, so you just click and send it to as many people as you want. Thank you so much, guys. Continue to share this live. We want to share to as many people as possible. Mark, are you okay? You're good, right? Mr. Rob, are you okay? I know, right? Yeah. We have to celebrate the great legacy, you know? Everybody, oh yeah, oh, join Jankwa Jantis, solve mathematics with the Dabaru, our continent. Oh, Yibo say, the board mass. We go use take solve mathematics. Are you able to figure out the Zoom? Please, guys, continue to share this live. Are you able to get the Zoom?
Yes, I'm able to get it.
Okay, fantastic, fantastic. So I have this as well, and then we have the Zoom. Hey, guys, so if you're not able to join the Zoom, at least you know you can join. You can also catch it live here on Instagram. But please, as much as possible, join the Zoom link and continue to share the great legacy of the legendary Sound Sultan. Thank you, guys.